Welcome to House My Home. Nestled within a lush, forested landscape, this house epitomizes the perfect balance of modern minimalism and natural warmth. Its sharply gabled roof, clad in dark metal, creates a striking contrast against the rich wooden slats that define the facade. Expansive glass windows welcome an abundance of natural light, blurring the boundary between the indoors and the serene surroundings. Inside, the design maintains a harmonious blend of simplicity and elegance. Clean lines, neutral tones, and thoughtfully integrated lighting ensure a sophisticated yet inviting ambience. Every space, from the sleek hallway to the cozy bedroom, is carefully curated for comfort and style, making this home a true modern sanctuary. Would you like me to refine or expand on any details? This house facade seamlessly blends modern design with natural elements. The structure features a sharply gabled roof with a dark metal finish, contrasting beautifully against the warm wooden slats that dominate the exterior. These slats are arranged diagonally, adding visual interest and texture. Expansive glass windows stretch across the front and sides, inviting ample natural light while offering picturesque views of the lush surroundings. The house is nestled within a forested landscape, surrounded by tall pine trees that enhance its harmony with nature. A neatly maintained lawn complements the organic aesthetic, while a gravel driveway leads up to the entrance, where two vehicles are parked. The balance of materials, wood, metal, and glass, creates a facade that is both contemporary and inviting. It reflects a sophisticated yet understated architectural approach, effortlessly merging modern minimalism with rustic warmth, making it a perfect retreat within nature. Stepping inside, we see a living room that exudes warmth and modern elegance through its balanced mix of textures and neutral tones. A cozy beige sofa anchors the space, complemented by soft cushions and a light-colored rug that enhances the inviting atmosphere. A sleek, round coffee table sits at the center, harmonizing with the clean lines of the furniture. Floor-to-ceiling windows allow natural light to pour in, brightening the space and highlighting the wooden flooring. Minimalist decor pieces and subtle indoor plants add depth without cluttering the room. The overall design embraces simplicity while maintaining a refined, comfortable ambience, ideal for relaxation and effortless style. This dining room embraces modern elegance with a warm, minimalist aesthetic. A large wooden table serves as the focal point, surrounded by 6 chairs with light-colored cushions, creating a cozy yet sophisticated dining space. Natural light pours in through expansive windows, which feature diagonal slatted blinds for a unique architectural touch. Above the table, 3 sleek pendant lights add a stylish ambient glow. In the background, a fireplace with a simple rectangular chimney enhances the inviting atmosphere, accompanied by a plush light gray sofa and a patterned ottoman. Subtle greenery, including potted plants and a vase with flowers, completes the harmonious and welcoming design. This kitchen area embraces modern simplicity with an inviting warmth. A spacious wooden dining table anchors the space, surrounded by 4 elegantly crafted chairs with soft white cushions. A minimalist vase with fresh greenery adds a refreshing touch. Above the table, 3 pendant lights provide soft illumination. The backdrop features large windows with diagonal wooden slats, allowing natural light to filter in beautifully. To the right, a sleek fireplace with a light-colored chimney sits beside a cozy seating nook with a neutral poof and a neatly arranged shelf of logs and decor. The overall design is bright, airy, and effortlessly stylish. Further, the kitchen features a minimalist design with clean white walls and doors, softened by wooden accents that add warmth. Integrated LED strip lighting along the ceiling and walls creates a sleek, contemporary glow. The smooth, polished flooring enhances the refined aesthetic, possibly made of concrete or stone. 2 framed artworks decorate the left wall, subtly adding personality to the space. Overall, the design embraces functionality and elegance, ensuring a stylish yet uncluttered passage between rooms. If you meant to upload a different kitchen image, feel free to try again. This hallway exudes modern minimalism with its clean, structured aesthetic. White walls and doors create a crisp, airy feel, while vertical wooden accents add warmth and visual contrast. Integrated LED strip lighting along the ceiling and walls enhances the sleek design, casting a soft ambient glow. The floor is smooth and light-toned, possibly concrete or polished stone, maintaining the refined simplicity. Two framed artworks subtly decorate the left wall, adding a touch of personality. The space feels both functional and stylish, seamlessly blending contemporary elements with understated elegance. Its uncluttered layout ensures a sophisticated yet welcoming transition between rooms. Let's move to the bedroom that embraces modern minimalism with a warm, natural touch. A large window offers a serene forest view, allowing soft daylight to filter in. The bed, with its beige frame, is dressed in a casually draped light blanket and accented by 3 pillows, 2 featuring elegant blue and gold stripes. A wooden headboard complements the organic aesthetic, while a small wall-mounted shelf above holds a potted plant and a sleek white reading light. The walls, painted crisp white with vertical paneling, add subtle texture. The overall design feels airy and inviting, blending simplicity with cozy sophistication for a tranquil retreat. Come to second bedroom that features a cozy and modern design. The bed is adorned with a white quilt and several pillows in shades of brown and beige. A colorful blanket with tiger and floral patterns is draped over the bed, adding a bold touch. 2 pendant lights hang from the ceiling on either side of the bed, casting a warm glow. A wooden nightstand on the left holds a framed artwork and a small plant. Large floor-to-ceiling curtains cover the window, which offers a view of a forested area outside. The room's neutral color palette and natural light create a serene and inviting atmosphere. The third bedroom showcases a modern and minimalist aesthetic with a warm, inviting ambience. The bed features a beige upholstered frame, complemented by a mix of green and beige pillows. A white bedspread and a casually draped gray blanket add texture and comfort. Hanging pendant lights with exposed bulbs on either side of the bed create a cozy glow. The wall behind the bed is adorned with vertical and horizontal wooden slats, forming a striking geometric pattern. Floor-to-ceiling white curtains soften the space, allowing natural light to filter in. The bedside table is sleek and functional, enhancing the room's clean and elegant design. This bathroom design features a modern and minimalist aesthetic. A sleek white floating vanity with a rectangular sink and wall-mounted faucet creates a clean, streamlined look. Above the vanity, a large mirror with integrated LED lighting enhances the space with a soft glow. On the vanity, a decorative tray holds small potted plants and a bottle, adding a touch of elegance. Adjacent to the vanity, a glass-enclosed sauna with wooden benches and walls introduces warmth and contrast to the cool tones of the bathroom. The combination of natural wood, clean lines, and thoughtful lighting makes the space both functional and visually appealing. A thoughtfully crafted modern retreat. This home is more than just a structure. It's a seamless fusion of modern aesthetics and natural warmth. From the striking gabled roof to the inviting wooden accents, every design element is carefully considered to create an atmosphere of balance and tranquility. The interiors continue this theme, offering a refined yet cozy ambience where functionality meets elegance. With spacious rooms bathed in natural light, a soothing color palette, and thoughtful details throughout, this house stands as a testament to the beauty of simplicity. Whether enjoying a quiet evening by the fireplace or embracing the serenity of the forest views, this home is designed to be both a stylish sanctuary and a welcoming retreat. Would you like me to refine or expand any part of this?